Hello friends, I am Lashman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, you will know what is Wi-Fi and why Wi-Fi. Now, we'll discuss some introduction part of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a globally used wireless networking technology that uses the 802.11 standard. The term Wi-Fi is an abbreviation of wireless fidelity. The technology used in Wi-Fi was developed in 1997 by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. This technology was later commercialized by the Wi-Fi Alliance, a trade group. Then we must know how Wi-Fi works. The basic system of Wi-Fi is very simple. In a Wi-Fi enabled network, computers with Wi-Fi cords connect wirelessly to an access point or router. This access point or router is internet enabled the usual way, connected to the internet using a cable or DSL modem. Any PC or laptop with a Wi-Fi cord which is within a radius of 200 feet from the access point can access internet. However, a distance of 100 feet is considered ideal for good quality access. An area surrounding an access point providing wireless access is called a wireless hotspot. The technology used in Wi-Fi is easiest to understand in terms of radio. It is quite similar to walkie-talkies, the only difference being in the strength of signals. An ordinary walkie-talkie can handle only limited data in the range of 1000 bits per second and operate at 49 MHz. In the case of Wi-Fi radios, the signal strength is much more, so they can handle much higher data rates. Wi-Fi radios typically operates at a frequency of 2.4 GHz. Then what are the benefits of Wi-Fi? A Wi-Fi enabled work environment helps workers to stay connected for longer and even interact with the co-workers effectively. Then what about security? A wireless access point has the risk that anyone can access the information if they get within accessible distance. Therefore, it is important to take security precautions while setting up a Wi-Fi network in your organization. The degree of security depends on the nature of information your organization handles. If it is highly sensitive information, you will need to go for customized security measures. Then why Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is all about high-speed wireless internet access. In today's scenario, workers typically move about a lot and need to operate from several stations other than their office cabin. As gadgets like laptops and PDS were developed to meet this need, it was also necessary to develop wireless internet technologies to enhance their function. This is where Wi-Fi comes in. Wi-Fi is a fast. That means Wi-Fi typically offers much faster internet access than cable and DSL connections, a definite advantage for the business. The high speed is also useful when you are on the move. There is a promise of enhanced productivity here. And second one, Wi-Fi is convenient. You can access internet from your Wi-Fi enabled device from wherever you are, as long as you are within range of base station or source. Thus the workers can move about with their gadgets from their cabin down the corridor to the conference room, all without losing connection. You can also access your company's network from your own laptop or PDA even when you are in another place like a business associate office or a hotel or a convention center, as long as this place has Wi-Fi network. Then what are the drawbacks of Wi-Fi? The small range is the biggest drawback for Wi-Fi. Even while you can move about without the wires, the mobility is severely restricted. Most typically, it is about a radius of 100 feet or so from the hotspot. Earlier version of Wi-Fi radios drain a lot of power, which is a disadvantage for laptops as they are battery dependent. Also, nearby equipment like microwave ovens and cordless phones can cause interference. Security is another big threat. It is easy for anyone to access your wireless networks if you are not careful. Therefore, it is important to install stringent security precautions depending on the sensitivity of the information you handle. So that's all about some of the introduction part of what is Wi-Fi and why Wi-Fi is used. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates and also share to your friends and also give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.